Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to backup and restore your Lenovo LOQ 15. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to backup and restore your Lenovo LOQ 15, what you can do is use Windows Backup and Restore. To access it, simply head over and open up the Start menu, then on the search bar type in Control Panel and then open it. Now, once you're inside the Control Panel, under the System and Security, you'll find an option that says Backup and Restore. Simply select that, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is click Create a System Image. Now, once you select it, select the destination like external SSD or SSD and your network location, which is optional, and then next is to follow the on-screen prompts and Windows will create a full system image. This captures your OS, programs and settings so you can restore exactly as it was. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.